Welcome once again. Let's talk about Terra Classic and the target 1 cent. So many Terra Classic community. Take a look at so many comments online. Everyone believes on 1 cent, that Terra Classic is going to reach 1 cent. But I think if you ask me, based on my personal funding, based on Terra Classic projects, based on their support, based on their popularity, of course, also based on Bitcoin itself, I think Luna reaching 1 cent at the time of recording this is going to be impossible. 1 cent is more of like Luna market cap reaching about $30 billion market cap. And you know that even right now, so many crypto coins have dropped in terms of market cap. Okay, imagine Luna with a $30 billion market cap, you know the position that they're going to be. And also, they have over 5 trillion supply. And the burning of Luna in a month, most times is just about 2 or 3 billion. So it will not be easy for them to reduce their supply, and also it will not be easy for them to gain more cap. Even as I'm talking to you, they are losing, their market cap is dropping every day. So the two sides that Luna was supposed to rise, to gain, to benefit from: one, the burning. The burning is not much. The burning have really reduced. Luna cannot even burn up to 100 billion coin within a period of 15 months. So tell me, how are they going to destroy most Terra Classic supply, which is very vital, which is very important in crypto industry, to have a few supply, okay? And then number two, market cap. When a coin have a very high market cap, there is a tendency for a price increase, because people will buy more coin. It means people are buying, people are rushing. So the demand for the coin definitely is higher. That is why people are rushing to buy this coin. And when the demand is higher, the price will definitely increase. Now, the demand for Terra Classic is lower because most holders are even selling off their Terra Classic LLC. Most traders are not even buying. People are even selling off. The market cap is dropping every day. So tell me, how will the price increase? The two things that was supposed to push Luna is off. Now, number three, community. The community of Terra Classic have already started that a lot of people are no longer, they don't have trust anymore. Okay, so in terms of people following Terra Classic, in terms of number of wallets, number of transactions for Terra Classic on a daily basis, on a monthly basis, have really reduced. Okay, so in terms of transaction, in terms of followers, social media engagement, all these things have really reduced. So tell me, how will Terra Classic reach 1 cent? And finally, number four, Luna, as of last year, when they were doing well, has always been ranked among the top 2, top 3. Okay, most time the first most trading crypto coin on coin market cap. But right now, since Luna started dropping, you can see Luna is always finding it difficult to be ranked among the market cap. So you see, it's not easy. So many things that Luna was supposed to benefit and rise is no longer there. So for me, 1 cent is a no for now, until all these things start working perfectly for Terra Classic LLC. Remember, this is not a financial advice. Once again, thank you for stopping by.